So to create a HTI referral for a non-indici user, the first thing you want to do is log into the HTI portal using the given credentials. Once you're in the portal, you'll see any HTI referrals in progress or outstanding, and you can search for them using this search facility up here. To add a new one, click the plus icon. So when creating a HTI referral, the first thing you have to do is search for the patient on the system. You can do that using this search field up here by entering the patient's name and then clicking the search icon. The system will return any patients who matches what criteria you've searched against, and all you have to do is click on the name of the appropriate one, and then all of their details will load in the form on this screen here. Alternatively, you can manually enter all of the information in the different fields here, or you can search for the patient in the Ministry of Health database using the NHI search field up here. Type the patient's NHI number into this field and then hit the enter key. The Validate NHI window will open. In the top section, you'll see the patient linked to this NHI, and if it's the correct patient, click on the line so that it then turns blue. When you do that, their information will populate the other sections below, including address, ethnicity, etc. Sometimes a patient might have multiple addresses, only one of which is still valid. Select the current address, the ethnicity, and preferred name so that they also turn blue. Once you click OK, the patient details will sync to the relevant fields. Once you're happy, click Save and Proceed to move to the next step, which is referral creation. Enter the ACC claim number, select the source of the initial ACC consultation, and select both the accident date and the date of the initial ACC consultation. Then select the radiologist and the ACC pathway, and you'll notice that as soon as you select the pathway, different options will appear below depending on which pathway you've selected. You can also access a blueprint or a roadmap for this particular pathway by clicking this link here. And then simply fill out the rest of the form. You can copy the results of the X-ray from your MedTech system and then paste them into the X-ray field here. And once you've captured all the relevant information on the referral form, you can either click Park in order to park or put on hold this referral, or you can click Save and Preview, in which case a preview of the referral will load, and then you can click Send via Health Link to send it to the intended recipient. Once you receive the MRI result for the patient, it's important that you attach it to the HTI referral in order to support an accurate claiming and outcomes process. So all you have to do is log back into the Indici HTI referral portal, find your referral, and then click the MRI icon next to it. This allows you to pull the results directly from the inbox of the system that your practice uses and attach them to the referral in a very quick and easy process. If the system doesn't allow you to pull in the results, simply copy them in your other system by highlighting them and pressing the Ctrl and C keys at the same time. Then paste them into the referral form by clicking on the relevant field and pressing Ctrl V. Once you've attached the MRI result, click the dollar icon next to the referral. This will open the Services window. Select the high-tech imaging service and add it to the patient's record. A form will open which you should fill out in its entirety. Once you've saved it, you can select the relevant subsidies from the right-hand pane, and these will then be added to the claim. To complete the process, click Save.